one thing, all of you know. Okay, so good morning, everyone. So thank you, Suvarna ji. Let me start the session. All the students will be waiting eagerly for learning Vedic maths. So first, let me share my screen. Okay, is it visible? Yes, kids, is it visible? Suvarna ji, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so kids, yes, students, good morning, everyone. Hope all of you are in very good health and your summer vacations have been started. So now learn something in funny way, right? Funny way. I will say that Vedic mathematics is not the mathematics. Generally, people or students or kids do not love mathematics, okay? But I will explain you some techniques by which you will love it, and we will learn this mathematics in funny way, right? It is a magic. Okay, so let's start. Hope all of you are excited to learn. First, let me tell you about myself. I am Dr. Ranjan Bala Jain. I am teaching in one of the engineering college in Mumbai, इंडिया की हूं मैं, भारत की रहने वाली हूं. आप लोगों को सबको हिंदी आती है? You understand Hindi?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Oh, that's great. So in between I will be
I know
using Hindi
this.
also. In between I will use Hindi also to explain something. Okay, otherwise I will be speaking English in English only. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so let's start the day one's agenda. First I will explain you what is Vedic mathematics, that is introduction. Then there are certain formulas, and today out of those 16 formulas we will be learning Vedic formula number 1, especially which is used for subtraction and multiplication. In between we will be using practice problems, and finally today I will give you one homework so that you have to complete. It's very simple, it will be very simple. Don't worry about homework. Okay, you will be able to complete within minutes. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So I welcome you all in the world of Vedic mathematics. If you know Vedic mathematics previously, you have learned something, no problem. But if you have not learned, you will enjoy, I am 100% sure. So let's start. What is Vedic mathematics? What is Vedic maths? क्या होता है Vedic maths? चलिए, so सबसे पहले, whenever we learn something, first we should know what is that, because whenever you go to your mom and you say today I learned Vedic maths, the mom will ask what is Vedic maths. So you should be able to tell something about Vedic maths. Okay, within one line, with one line, two line, three lines, you should be able to explain. So I will explain you that what is Vedic mathematics in short, in brief. Okay, so Vedic mathematics is an ancient system of mathematics. Ancient system is Prachin Bhartiya Paddhati. There are so many Vedas available in Hindu Sanskriti, Hindu mythology, and in that there is Atharva Ved, and in Atharva Ved so many mathematical formulas are defined, right? Where in Atharva Ved there are so many Vedas, Samved, Yajur Veda, and similarly Atharva Ved is there. So in that so many formulas are there, and these formulas are discovered by Indian mathematician Jagat Guru Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha ji in the period 1911 to 1918. आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि there is one mathematics guru called, उनका नाम क्या है? What is the name? Jagat Guru Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha ji. He studied all those formulas which are available in Atharva Ved and put all his learning in Vedic mathematics book. Okay, so there is one book called as Vedic mathematics, and in that all the formulas are described, right? These formulas, what is the meaning of Veda? The meaning of Veda is knowledge, right? And if I say Vedic maths, means complete knowledge of mathematics, complete knowledge of maths, and that is described in Vedic maths. So Veda means what? Knowledge. So complete mathematics knowledge is described in one book called as Vedic mathematics, and the author of this book is Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha ji Maharaj. Okay, so from actually he is our guru, and he has understood all the concepts, all the formulas given in Atharva Ved, and we will be learning those formulas. Okay. And according to me, the Vedic mathematics is nothing but it's a magical methods for quick calculation. You can do all the calculations very fast. That's why I always tell that this is magic. Okay. So what is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is magic. Okay. Now you will say how it is. We will see little bit after some time. Just wait for some time. Okay. So Vedic mathematics is collection of techniques, sutras, formulas. आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. You can tell like it is technique or it is sutra or it is formula. Whatever you want to tell, you can tell. Right. So all the formulas are there in the book, and using these formulas, we can do the calculation in easy and faster way. Okay, fast and easy. It's simple that you will see. So how many formulas are there in Vedic mathematics? There are 16 formula and 13 sub formulas are defined. Okay, how many formulas? 16 formula and 13 sub formula. If you know all these formula, you can solve any problem of mathematics. Okay, any problem like arithmetic, algebra, conics, so many things are there. You can solve anything. So these sutras are used in so many things. Now you will say हमको तो नहीं आता है. Don't worry. Algebra, geometry, calculation, conics, all are used in the higher classes. Right now you are learning addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we will learn only those formulas. Okay. So don't worry about कि algebra, geometry क्या होता है. These are for higher classes. Okay. So today we will learn some formula. So before that, I will tell you what are the advantage of Vedic maths. So thing is that in Vedic mathematics, if you know the tables up to 9, you need not to worry. Generally, what happens during the summer vacations, mamas are behind you. Beta, 12 ka table, 13 ka table, please learn table of 12, 13, 14, 15. But actually, in Vedic mathematics, these tables are not required. If you know the tables up to 9, you can do any type of calculation. Okay, so that is the first advantage, right? You need to know only the tables up to 9. Okay, so that is the first advantage. Second advantage, you can do the calculations fast, and if you do the calculation fast means you will complete your homework fast, and in that way what will happen? You will save your time, and once you can save the time, you can do other things, right? Other activities, you can involve in other activities, and in that way what will happen? You can participate in yoga, dance, drawing, all the activities, whatever activities are of your interest, you can participate in those activities, right? So that is the advantage. You can do all the calculations mentally, right? And in this way your concentration and confidence will increase. Why? Because see, when you learn so many things, your teacher will appreciate you. Oh, this boy Aram knows so many things. He knows maths, he knows drawing, he knows dance, so many things he knows. So your teacher will appreciate in front of other people, and in that way what will happen? You will be happy. Oh, I can do all those things. So your confidence will increase. Okay. And these methods are very simple, very direct, very totally unconventional, and these gives checking procedure. Anyway, right now checking procedures are not required, so no need to worry for you. So overall, what is the advantage? Advantage is that you can do all the calculations very fast, right? Now what are these formula? These are the formulas. These are the 16 formulas. You can see these formula. Ekadikein, Purven, Nikhilam, Navasharam, Dashita, Urvar. I am not going to teach you all these 16 formulas. Only some formulas we will learn which are useful to you. Okay. Now you will say how to learn these formula. These formulas are basically written in Sanskrit, right? Sanskrit, because we have taken these things from where? Vedas, right? So all these formulas are in Sanskrit, but I will explain you the meaning of these formula, and we will use those formula in calculation, and you will love it. How beautiful these formulas are, right? And these are the 413 sub formula. So if you know all these formulas, then you can do any type of calculation in mathematics. Okay. Okay. So, okay. No need to worry. Abhi yaad karne ki aapko zarurat nahi. You no need to remember all this formula one by one. I will teach you. Okay. So hope all of you are excited to learn with this introduction of Vedic mathematics that you can do all the calculations very fast. There are 14 formulas. There are 13 sub formulas, and important thing is that these formulas are taken from where? Vedas, and especially Atharva Veda, right? So that you should know. Now let's start. So let us start. Be ready with your pen and paper.
Ranjan
Yes,
ji,
yes,
8 minutes.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, just a minute. And let me mute all and unmute you again one more time because there is one person I'm not able to mute. So just give.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Teacher,
Am I? Yes, but
my cousins.
Sorry.
Suvarna ji, Aram wants to say something.
Correct. Ask him to write it in chat.
Aram, please write in the chat box.
Okay, we can get
Arham,
started.
don't worry. You will get all the sorry, not slides. You since the session is being recorded, so you will get the recorded session. Okay, don't worry. You can refer those slides. So let's start. Don't worry. Right now we have learned important thing is that what is the advantage of Vedic maths. Now we are actually starting the formula. Okay. So now listen carefully. Now what is the formula number one? Formula number one is Nikhilam Navasharam Dashast. Oh my God, the name is so difficult. No need to worry. How to remember this formula? Nikhilam Navasharam Dashast. All of you are having a friend called Nikhil. Have you that one friend called as Nikhil? Do you know Nikhil friend? No problem. If he is there, you just remember. If you don't have any friend whose name is Nikhil, no need to worry. Just remember one name, that is Nikhil. One friend is there whose name is Nikhil, and by that name you can remember the formula Nikhilam formula. What is the name of the formula? Nikhilam formula. What is the name of the formula? Nikhilamna formula. I will repeat thrice so that things will be in your mind. Okay, directly it will go in your mind. So what is the name of the formula? Nikhilam formula. Okay, Nikhilam formula. कैसे याद रखेंगे? Nikhil is your friend. Okay. Now what is the meaning? Let's listen to me carefully. You will understand each and everything. Now what is the name of the formula? The name of the formula is Nikhilam, and the meaning is all from 9, last from 10. What is the meaning? All from 9, last from 10. अब आप बोलेंगे इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Don't worry, I will explain you. All from 9, last from 10. Just remember. Just remember. So what we have learned, the name of the formula is Nikhilam formula, and the meaning of this formula is all from 9, last from 10. You can write now this in your notebook. All from 9, last from 10. Okay, let's go. How this formula is used. इस फॉर्मूले को हम कैसे यूज करेंगे? तो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फॉर्मूला याद हो गया सबको? यू आर हैविंग वन फ्रेंड कॉल्ड एज निखिल, सो निखिलम फॉर्मूला, राइट? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? द मीनिंग इज ऑल फ्रॉम 9, लास्ट फ्रॉम 10. हो गया? ओके, लेट्स गो फर्दर नाउ. How this formula will be used? Let's see. Yes, this formula is used to find the complement of a number. अब आप बोलेंगे what is the complement? You are little bit you are just kids, you don't know what is complement. It is generally used in 9th 10th class, so don't worry about that. Just you remember that we have learned one formula called as Nikhilam formula. Meaning is all from 9, last from 10. Now see the slide. What is the example? Yes, Jena Gandhi, you see? Jena, are you looking? Just see the slide. There is a number called as 4356. What is the number? 4356, right? Now what you have to do, remember carefully. Remember, listen carefully. We subtract all digits from 9 and only the last digit from 10. What is the meaning? All from 9, last from 10. You have to subtract all the digits from 9 and last digit from 10. So 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. And last digit 6 is to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. So that is the meaning. So what we have done? We have applied Nikhilam formula on the number 4356. So क्या करना है? What you have to do? Just you have to subtract all initial digits from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted from 10. So 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. And 10 minus 6, 4. Is it clear? Is it clear what we have done? So we have just subtracted initial digits from 9 and last digit is subtracted from 10. Is that clear? Yes, Siddhi. Do you have any question? If you
So
are clear, okay. So you write in the chat box, yes, clear. Okay. Yes, Siddhi, you write ki this is clear. If not clear, you can write in the chat box. Okay. Siddhi, don't raise hand right now. I will explain if you are having any doubt in the end. If it is clear, just write in the chat box. Okay, very good. So let's go further. So now we are having another number. Okay, chaliye. We will see one more so that we will use this formula. We are having another number 8921. Can you see this number? 8921. What you have to do? Apply Nicolam Sutra. Means subtract all the digits from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted from 10. So 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 2, 7, and 10 minus 1, 9, right? So what we have done, if you are having any number and if I tell you that please apply Nicolan Sutra, what you will do, just subtract all initial digits from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted from 10. Is that clear? Is that clear? So this is called as application of Nicolam Sutra on any number. Suppose there are 5 digits in a number. So what you have to do? Initial 4 digits you have to take, subtract from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted from 10. Is that clear? Is that clear? How to find the complement of a number or how to use Nicolam Sutra. अब आप बोलेंगे where to use this formula? Don't worry, I will explain you. Just now we have learned what is Nicolam Sutra. Now we will learn how to use this formula and where to use this formula. Okay, Divya, good. Siddhi, it is not clear. Okay, Siddhi, I am repeating again. Don't worry. Just I am telling you. Listen. Once again, listen carefully. 8921 is the number. I am subtracting initial digits from 9 and last digit 1. You can see the cursor. Last digit is subtracted from 10. So 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 10 minus 1 is 9. Right? तो ये आपको जो दिख रहा है ना, ये दिखा है. This what I have done. Initial digits are subtracted from 9 and last digit is subtracted from 10. This is just for understanding purpose. I have written like this. You need not to write. You have to just do like this. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. And last digit from 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. So this is the 1079 is nothing but complement of number 8921. How it is obtained? It is obtained by applying Nicolam Sutra. Right now, we will not be using complement term. Just apply Nicolam Sutra. Okay? Okay, Siddhi? Yes, just tell me. Yes, thumbs up. Bata dijiye. Show the thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So now let's do. We have to subtract 65 from 100. Mama gives you $100, right? And says you whatever you want to purchase, you go to market and buy, right? आपको जो भी खरीदना है खरीद लो. Summer vacations have started. Now you take $100 with you and you purchase something like a notebook, pen, paper, chocolate, whatever you want to buy. You had bought. Now the shopkeeper tells you that 65 rupees you have spent. Now how much money he will return? Oh my God, you are having paper, you are having pen there. No, you are not having paper pen at the shop. So what you will do? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Please mute. Okay, thank you. So thing is that just Sujay, आपकी summer vacation शुरू हो गई है. Mama says this is $100. You go to market, whatever you want to buy, you can buy. You go to the market, you buy some things, and they are costing how much? 65 rupees. Do you have paper and pen? How to subtract 65 from 100? अगर थोड़े आप बड़े हैं, 11, 12 के बच्चे हैं तो आप कर सकते हैं. 9, 10 के बच्चे तो भी आप कर सकते हैं. But little kids cannot do. But yes, by using Nicolam Sutra, we can subtract easily. What you have to do? Just forget 9 and forget 100. Just forget 100, right? And remember 65. आपको क्या करना है? 65 को याद रखना है. What do you observe here? There are 2 zeros in this number and there are 2 digits in this 65. Both should be equal. सबसे पहले आपको चेक करना है number of digits in this and number of digits in this. How many number of zeros are there? 2. And how many number of digits are there? 2. So 2 and 2 are there. So no need to worry. अभी आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. Just forget 100 and apply Nicolam Sutra on 65. Now Nicolam Sutra apply किया तो 9 minus 6 3, 10 minus 5 5. So what is the answer? 35. So easy. So easy. क्या किया? We have applied Nicolam Sutra on 65. 9 minus 6 3, 10 minus 5 5. So what is the complement of the number or subtraction? It is 35. So easy or not? Easy or not? Yes. So on applying Nicolam Sutra on number 65, what we do? 9 minus 6 3, 10 minus 5 5. So answer will become 35. अब आपको generally what you do, 0, you cannot subtract 5 from 0, so you take borrow and then you subtract. So that is your traditional method. But here, just by applying Nicolam Sutra, what we can do, you have to forget 100, just apply Nicolam Sutra on 65, so subtract the initial digit from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 5 5 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So answer will become 35. Let's solve one more problem so that things will be clear to you. Okay, let's do 1000 minus 565. How will you do? See, first check how many number of zeros are there? 3. How many number of digits are there in 565? 3. So no need to worry. Nothing to do. Just apply Nicolam Sutra on 565. So 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. And 10 minus 5, 5. And easy. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 5, 5. Oh my God. Within seconds, you can get the answer. How 435 is obtained? Just by applying Nicolam Sutra on 565. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes, please write in the chat box. Yes, clear? How it is? Is it clear? Do we have always have to Nicolam Sutra on the smaller number? Yes, beta. Yes. Yes, Aram. Because this formula is used whenever we have to subtract. एक minute. Just a minute. This formula is used whenever you have to subtract any number from 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Okay. Others, please mute yourself. Others, please mute yourself. Write in the chat box. Okay. Whenever I say, please write in the chat box, you just reply in the chat box. Okay. Don't worry. So is that clear? First thing is this. This formula is basically Nicolam formula. Apply Nicolam Sutra means all digits are to be subtracted from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted from 10. That's all. And just you have to check that how many number of zeros are there. So it is 1000, 3 zeros. And in 565, how many digits? 3 digits. So simple. Okay, let's go.
Ma'am, please repeat it once again.
Okay. 1000. हाँ बोलिए जिया.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलिए.
some time to practice this.
Yes, do the practice right with me only. This is the practice only. अभी दूंगी. I will give you some problems for practice. 9 minus 5, 4. लिख लीजिए. 9 minus 6, 3. 9, 10 minus 5, 5. Why I have subtracted from 10? Because it is the last digit. 10 minus 5 is 5. ये answer हो गया. No need to do any traditional method. Just apply Nicolam Sutra on 565. And Nicolam Sutra application means शुरू के सारे digit को 9 में से subtract करना है. And last digit is to be subtracted from 10. Okay? Hope the things are clear. Yes, Lavanya is saying easy. Clear, but I have one question. Yes, Vadar, what is your question? Please write in the chat box. Kuldeep is clear. Then Jena Gandhi is clear. Okay, fine. बाकी सब लोगों को clear है. आपका क्या question है? Please write. Vadar, Misha, please write your question in chat box. Let's do one more problem. Okay, so don't worry. We will solve many problems. Don't worry. Okay. Let's go further. Okay. 10,000 minus 365. Oh my God. 10,000 is the number. Out of that, how much number is to be subtracted? 365. Oh my God. Now see, how many numbers of zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. And how many digits are there in 365? 3 digits are there. Whenever number of zeros and number of digits in this digit are not same, then what you have to do? You have to put 0 before the number so that number of zeros and number of digits will become equal. Is that clear? So what I have done, count the number of zeros in 10,000 and number of digits in 365. Both should be equal. They are not equal, right? 10,000 mein how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. In 365, 3 digits are there. So you have to make both equal. So what you have to do? You have to put 0. Means see what I have done. I have put 0 before 365. So my number becomes 0365. Now apply Nikilam Sutra on this number 0365. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. And 10 minus 5, 5. So answer is 9635. So fast. Can you do it so fast within 10 seconds? Not possible. So what you have to do? Just see how many number of zeros are there in 10,000. How many number of digits are there in 365. If both are equal, not to worry. If they are not equal, put 0. Just, yeah, just you can see here, right? In blue, I have put 0. So my number becomes 0365. Right? Now 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. And last digit is to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So answer will become 9635. So whenever we are subtracting any number from 10, 100, 1000, what you have to do? Just apply Nikilam Sutra. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, let's do one more problem. I hope you can take the screenshot also so that you can refer it later on. Okay, chaliye. Let's go further. One more problem we will do. Chaliye. Now, 1000 minus 348. Now, do you think you will require traditional method? Nothing. So, how many number of zeros are there in 1000? 3. 348 is having how many digits? 3. So, nothing to do. No zero is to be put. Just apply Nikilam Sutra on 348. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 8, 2. So fast. Now, next problem. Now do these problems in your notebook. Notebook में आप करिए अपनी ये problem. 10,000 minus 256. How many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 zeros. And in 2576, how many numbers are there? 4 numbers. No problem. No digits are, 4 digits are there. Nothing to worry. So just apply Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 2. Oh, auntie ने गलत लिख दिया. 9 minus 2 is 7, right? 9 minus 2 should be 7, right? 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. Then next. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Is it clear? Second problem is clear to everyone. All of you, please write in your notebook. Solve this. No need to do with traditional method. Just apply Nikilam Sutra on the number. And number is this. What you have to do? You have to just check the number of the zeros. How many number of zeros are there? 5 zeros. And here, how many number of digits? 5. Nothing to worry. So apply Nikilam Sutra on here on this number. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. And 10 minus 8, 2. So simple. Is that clear? Oh, come on. See next number. 1000 minus 76. Now check. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. But in this number, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So what you have to do? Put 0, put 0, put 0 and apply Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 0. Oh, auntie ने गलत कर दिया. आप लोगों को चेक करना था मुझे. 9 minus 0, 9. Right? 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus, sorry. No. 9 minus 7, 2. And 10 minus 6, 4. Yes, let me see the chat box. What you have written. I have to go to restroom, so I will miss the questions. Maybe given them to 2 minutes to write before when we were doing the first example, what we are subtracted by, because the complement is another word for answer and we were not taking a number, just applying. Yes, bacho, listen carefully. Now from this example, you can understand that whatever answer we are getting, that is nothing but complement of this 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Actually, you people, you are the students who are just in third, fourth standard, right? I don't know in which standard you are, so you don't understand the meaning of complements. So I'm not explaining you right now the word complement. Here, just understand that Nicolam Sutra is used to subtract any number from either 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 type of numbers, right? ऐसे नंबर है, इन्हीं नंबर में से आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 1000 को भूल जाइए, सिर्फ apply Nicolam Sutra, so this will give you the answer. That I want to say. So this is the beauty of Vedic maths, and this is the beauty of Nicolam Sutra, that without doing actual subtraction, just by applying Nicolam Sutra on this number, you can get the result. And actually, 348 is the complement of 652, or 652 is the complement of 348, sorry. That is the meaning. Right now, I am not explaining you what is the complement. So no need to worry. Just apply Nicolam Sutra on the second number and solve it. Okay? Clear what I want to say? What I want to say is clear?
But
Mother,
what if,
mother, are you clear? What I want to say?
yeah, but what if the other number that has the zeros is smaller than the other number that does not have zeros? Then
I'm not
which would
understanding.
be the Nicolam Sutra on?
Adam, are you speaking something? I'm not getting what you are speaking.
Yeah, I'm saying that if the number that has the zeros is a smaller number than the number that does not have zeros, then which one do you do Nicolam Sutra on?
No, right now Nicolam Sutra is used only whenever a number is to be subtracted from 1000. Now you are asking, for example, I have to subtract 348 from 100. Are you asking like that? Are you asking like that? Just a minute. Okay, let me go to the board. Okay, let me go to the board so that I will explain. Just a minute. Wait for a minute. Okay, beta. Just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, I got the concept.
You got the concept? Okay, that's great. That's great, beta. Okay, just a minute. Let me share you the things so that you will be able to understand.
While you were making the study, my mom gave me some questions, and now I can solve them. I solved them all.
Okay, can you see my board? Can you see my board?
Yes.
Whiteboard, can you see instead of slide? Can you see my board? Whiteboard?
No, I cannot
No.
see.
Okay, okay, no problem. No problem, no problem. Just a minute. Okay, now share. Yes. Now can you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So let me explain you important concept that is, see, for right now what we are doing, we are using which formula? Nicolam Sutra. Okay. Suppose I am having one number. Just understand this, right? 1000 minus 245, right. Then we are using with which formula? Nicolam Sutra. For example, I am having one other example, 100 minus 25, right? So which formula we are using? Nicolam Sutra. So what we have to do, we need not to worry about this number. Just check how many number of zeros are there, how many number of digits are there. If both are equal, just apply Nicolam Sutra on this. 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 10 minus 5, 5, right? Right. Here in this case, 9 minus 2. Clear? This is clear to everyone? Now, for example, I'm having another number like this, right? 10,000 minus 326, right? For example, this is a subtraction. So if now how many number of zeros are there? 4. How many number of digits are there? 3. Both are not equal. So you have to put 0 here on. Just you have to put 10. Okay, then forget this number 10,000 ko to bhul jaiye. Now apply Nicolam Sutra. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 6, 4. So this is your answer. So simple. So now who was asking the question? Question कौन पूछ रहा था मुझे कि whether we can subtract smaller number? बेटा we are not subtracting smaller number. We are not subtracting bigger number from a smaller number, right? We are subtracting the numbers from 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is the other case, right? Other type of subtraction is there that I will explain you later on. Don't worry. We never subtract any number, bigger number from a smaller number. We always subtract smaller number from bigger number, right? Huh? If we are subtracting bigger number from a smaller, what happens? It becomes negative number that you will read in the bigger, higher classes. Right now, you don't know the concept of negative number. So right now, we are subtracting smaller numbers from bigger numbers. Okay? Clear? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? No doubt. I hope so. Yes? Okay, please write in the chat box. Yes, clear. No doubt. Okay, thank you. Let's go further. So this is the case. Now, can you, okay, so I'm asking you one question. You please write in the chat box. Answer फटाफट सब लोग chat box में लिखिए. Write in the chat box. 10,000 minus 295. What will be the answer? I want to see your answer. Just 10 seconds, not more than 10 seconds. Okay. 10,000 minus 295. Check the number of zeros in 10,000. Four zeros. How many number of digits are there? 3. They are not equal. So what you have to do? Put 0 and then write in the chat box what is the answer. Let me see how many of you have written. Oh, that's great. I'm happy. So 9705, 9705. Yes, someone has written 5. एक ने किसी ने लिखा Tashvi, you are wrong. 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 9, 0, 10 minus 5, 5. Right? So this is the answer. 9705. That's great. So all of you are clear. Now next thing we will learn. So let's go further. Let's go further. Okay, so I'm going to slide again. Is it visible? Someone please tell me.
Yes,
Slide
Yes.
is visible, right? Okay. So let's go further. Chaliye. So yes. Now see. Now all of you please do one thing. 10,000 minus 560. What will be your answer? Write in the chat box 10,000 minus 560. Okay. So since 560 is having 3 digits and 10,000 is having 4 zeros, both are not equal. So you put 0 initially so that you can perform the subtraction. Now apply Nicolam Sutra on 0560. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 0, 10. Oh my God. Let's see what people have done. Lot people have done. Okay. 10, 10. Oh. Is the next chapter. Drop. Kya likha? What is Vivan? Drop 10. Okay. Okay. Let's wait, Vivan. You will understand. Don't worry. Okay. I will explain you. Chaliye. So now see what is happening. Now important concept you have to understand. And that's why I have given you this example. So what we have done, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 6, 3. Now 10 minus 0, 10. Oh my God, this is which time? This is pandemic situation. This is corona situation. 0 tells to 1. ए भाई मेरे साथ मत रहे, मैं अकेला रहना चाहता हूँ. 1 बोलता है मैं अकेला नहीं, मैं किसके पास जाऊं. 0 बोलता है तो इसके पास जाना जाओ, मेरे पास नहीं रहना क्योंकि कोरोना का समय है. तो बोलते हैं ठीक है. तो 3 ना 3 जो इसके पहले वाला नंबर था, 3 says to 1, don't worry, please come to me. Okay, please come to me. So don't worry. So what happens? 9, 4, 3 and this 10 is written like this. कैसे लिखा? How we have written 10? 1 is written in the subscript form and 3 and 1 are added together because 3 says to 1, okay, please come to me, I am your friend. So both join together. So answer will become 94. Answer will become 9440. Is that clear? 9440. So remember, whenever a carry is generated means whenever number is more than 9, जब भी कोई नंबर 9 से बड़ा हो जाता है, 9 से बड़ा हो जाता है, we write in the subscript form and this 0 says to 1, please don't stay with me, go somewhere else, this is corona time, मुझे कोरोना हो गया. So वो बोलता है कोई बात नहीं, मैं 3 के साथ चला जाता हूँ. 3 and 1 remains together and they join together. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So answer will be 9440. Is that clear? So remember, whenever we are subtracting and any number is more than 9, so we have to write in the subscript form like this, 1 and 0. And this number is added with the previous number so that answer will become 9440. Right? Clear everyone? Very nice. 9440. Now everyone is clear. Let's do one more problem so that things will be clear. Afterwards, we will do practice. Okay. Chaliye. Sorry. So let's do one more problem. 10,000 minus 0980. The 980. So what we have,
Not
what,
understand. I'm
what
not.
you have not understood? Okay, don't worry. Here we will do once again. Check. See, listen carefully. 10,000 minus 0980. What you will do? You will apply Nicolam Sutra on this number. All others who have understood, please write your answer in the chat box by applying Nicolam Sutra. And who has not understood, please listen carefully. 9 minus 0, 9. Right? हमने किया 9 minus 0, 9 clear. Then 9 minus 9, 0 clear. 9 minus 8 clear, 1. अब आया 10 minus 0. Last digit is to be subtracted from 10. 10 minus 0 is 10. 10 means number is more than 9. बड़ा है ना, 9 से बड़ा आ गया. Whenever a carry is generated, means this one is working as a carry. So आप इसको कैसे याद कर सकते हैं? We are learning Vedic mathematics in pandemic situation, in Corona time. So all want to remain individually or alone, right? So 0 tells to 1, don't stay with me. 1 बोलता है इसे पैंडेमिक में मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा. 0 बोलता है तुम्हें जहां जाना है जाओ. तो इसके पास में जो नेक्स्ट नंबर था 1, वो बोलता कोई बात नहीं भाई मेरे पास आ जा. तो ये 1 उसके पास चला जाता है एंड बोथ आर एडेड टुगेदर. 1 plus 1, 2. So answer will become 9020. How I have written? Understand. First 9 आया, then 0 आया, then 1 आया. Afterwards 10. So whenever number is more than 9, when carry is generated, this is written in subscript form like this, and this one and previous one both are added together. So 1 plus 1, 2. So answer will become 9020. Is that clear?
Ma'am, yes,
बोलिए.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. 9020. Very nice. All have written. Everyone is clear. Right. Good, 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 good. Happy. So I hope this thing is clear. Any doubt? So let's go further.
Yes.
So, yes. So next problem is clear. Let's go further. So this is our practice problem. 1000 minus 340. Do in your notebook and write answer in the chat box. 340. 1000, 3 zeros, 340, 3 digits. No problem. Nothing is to be done. No zero is to be put. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 0, 1. देखिए, 10 minus 0 is 10, right? So 1 is generated. This is carry. So this 0 tells to 1, don't stay with me. So 5 and 1 both are added. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया कोरोना काल में सब लोग अकेले रहना पसंद करते हैं. तो उसने 5 ने बोला, उसका अगले वाले डिजिट ने, पड़ोसी ने बोला कोई बात नहीं तेरे घर में कोरोना हो गया, नो नीड टू वरी, कम टू मी. So 5 and 1 join together and become 6. So 5 plus 1, 6. So 660. Next 10. Next is 1 and 5 zeros. So what I have done, I have put 1 0 because number of digits and number of zeros should be same. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 0, 10. So 4 plus 1, 5. Both are added together. So 96550. So do in this way. So I hope the things are clear. Let's go further. Okay, 6180 aa gaya, 697, 960. Very good, very good. All of you, please. Nice. All of you are writing in the chat box. That's great. That's great. Nice, nice, nice. Excellent. Yes, Ansh. Yes, Ashvi. Yes, iPad. What is your name? I don't know. Krish Cheda. Very nice. Divya Jain has written 6180. Very nice. Very nice. Good. So I hope the things are clear. Any doubt up to this point? Any doubt up to this point? Write in the chat box. Is it clear?
Ma'am, we have to multiply this.
Not multiply. This is subtraction. Na? Which multiplication you are talking, beta?
This
Right
is
now,
equal to 9, no?
See, whenever carry is generated, so 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 1, 5. Which number you are talking? I don't know. Okay. Is that clear? So you please, all of you, please do this practice and write the answer in the chat box. If something is not clear, please let me know. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, Suvarna ji. Yes. So clear? So clear? Any question is there? Please ask. No question. Nishita is saying. So I hope everyone is clear. What we have learned? We have learned Vedic maths formula number 1. Formula is called as Nikhilam Sutra. Meaning is that all from 9, last from 10. Yes? Yes?
Ma'am, I like this. I'll come tomorrow. I don't like. I'll not come tomorrow.
Beta, how old are you? Jia, how old are you? Number 4. Yes, Vadar, 6070. How 6070 will be, beta? Vadar, this is wrong.
Because you
Vadar, it will be 6070. Kaise? 9 minus 6, 3. It will be 3. I have made a 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 0 is 1. So 6 and 1 are added. So it will be 6970. Please make a correction. Please make a correction. Ansh is right, 6907. Daksh is also, Daksh has written for, okay, 5th answer, 6180, not a problem. That's okay, fine. All of you do. See, beta, what is nothing to worry. You need not to go for traditional technique. Just see this number. Check how many number of zeros are there. If both are equal, no problem. If they are not equal, just put 0 like this in example number 3. We have put 0 initially and just apply Nikhilam Sutra. How much time do you take in subtraction? That much time will be taken in solving this particular subtraction. Okay? Okay? Okay. All of you can do yourself in your notebook. If somewhere some problem is there, please ask. I'm giving you 2 minutes time.
Tomorrow we'll be learning more about like other numbers beside the powers of 10.
Other type of subtraction we will do tomorrow. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will cover both type of subtraction. Suppose I have to subtract 6758 from 9327, right? Right? For example, right now what I have done, just a minute. 1 minute. I will explain you one thing.
Teacher.
Yes, beta.
I forgot the concept. I knew it, but now I forgot it again.
Vedant, you are not clear? What is the?
Yeah,
what is
I was clear, but I forgot it again.
You forgot. Don't worry. Recording will be shared with you. Listen again and then understand and solve the problems. Okay? Okay, Vedant? Okay. I hope this screen is, this board is clear to everyone, is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Suppose you have to this type of subtraction. Okay. 6576 minus 1245. Now you will tell me how to subtract. Can I apply Nikhilam Sutra here? No. Okay. You cannot apply Nikhilam Sutra. Where the Nikhilam Sutra is applied? Nikhilam Sutra is applied whenever we have to subtract something from such numbers. Okay. 498. Write the answer in the chat box for this problem. 100 2498. Solve the answers. Solve these 2 problems and write the answer in the chat box. We can apply the Nikhilam Sutra only in these cases, right? In general subtraction, we cannot do this formula. We cannot use this formula. We will require some other formula that we will learn tomorrow. Okay? Don't worry. Okay, so 1000 minus 498. Oh, that's great. 503. Who has written 503? No, it will be 502. What? 502. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. Here, just put this up. Now solve the second problem. Solve the second problem. Put zeros. Put zeros. Put 0, 1, 1, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2. Sorry, no problem. Koi baat nahi, Tashvi. Not a problem. Yes, Samyak is first one to write the answer. Very good, Samyak. 97501. Then why is 2 1 Samyak? It should be 98502. 9 minus 0, put 9 here. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. So this will be the answer. Is that clear to everyone? It is so fast. Just concentrate what we have to do. We have to subtract all the initial numbers from 9 and last from 10. Great. Very good. Yes, Samyak. No problem. You may be fast. Yes, maybe you may have done typing mistakes. Typing mistakes.
Ma'am, I'm 5 years old.
Okay, beta, that's what it is difficult to understand. But okay, no problem, Zia. Your mom is sitting with you? Zia, your mom is sitting with you? Okay, yes, students, please do this problem. Be careful, okay? And be careful in writing the answer in chat box. Okay. How many number of zeros are there? Just see. 5 zeros. How many number of digits are there? 4 digits. Okay. So you have to put 0. Right? 0. Now apply Nikilam Sutra and be careful. If a carry is generated, it is to be added with the next digit. Right? Right? Okay. Nice. Nice. Oh. Siddhant, be careful. Yes, Meshika is clear. Meshika is right. Yes. Okay. Others, please be careful in writing the answer. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 0, 10. Right? So, 91750. Nishta, it's not 49. It will be 50. 50. 9 minus 10 minus 0, 10 aaya, right? 10 minus 0 is 10, right? This number. So this 0 tells to 1. Oh, don't be with me. 1 says what I should do. So the 0 says, जहां जाना है वहां जाओ, मेरे साथ नहीं रहना. तो 4 बोलता है उसका पड़ोसी, 4 बोलता है, hey 1, come to me, we will join. So 1 and 4 and 1 are added together. So answer will become 91750. Okay? So this is the correct answer. Very good. Many of you have done correctly. That's great. Let's do one more so that things will be clear. It should be by heart. कोई भी आपको कैसा भी problem दे, आपको फटाफट आना चाहिए. Okay, do. Yes, Vivan. Aram, you have made a mistake. Please do the correction. Aram and Prabhas, please do the correction again. Yes, Vivan is right. Sonal is also right. Siddhant is right. Siddhi is right. Okay. Now, so 9 minus 0, 9. यहाँ पर आपने क्या किया? Put zeros. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 0, 1. So it is 9750. Okay. Good. Any doubt? Any question at this point of time? Yes or no? Chaliye. So I'm stopping the sharing. Stop share kar diya. Okay. Yes, I have stopped the sharing the screen. So any doubt, any question? No? Clear? So let's end here only. Next formula. Next formula we will learn in the next technique. Yes, Krish. What is the doubt? Please ask.
I don't have a doubt, but do we have any homework?
Yes, I will give you. I will share with auntie and then she will share in the group. So then you solve all those problems. Okay, for practice.
Okay.
Just for
Thank
practice.
you.
Yes, Siddhi, do you have any problem? Siddhi, do you have any?
nice class.
Bye.
Is it okay? Did you like it?
Yes.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
And do remember Nikhilam Sutram. We will be sending you the homework, okay?
Excuse
in
me,
the in the
Yes.
WhatsApp group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, please.
ma'am, Dia's mother.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, she's actually just 5.5 years old. She hasn't
She
been
will not.
introduced to Yeah, she's not the
Yes, ma'am. I told in the group already or to organizers. I had told that age should be 8 plus.
okay. No, it said
Kids
4
age should
plus.
be 8 plus. No, 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 no.
Yeah, so
They will not understand. I told already in the
yeah. Okay.
organizers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
So,
all
yeah,
the kids should know the tables up to 9 at least.
okay, okay. So, ma'am, can I just discontinue, ma'am? Like, because she would not be able to
Yes,
cope
it's
up,
up to
ma'am.
you. It's you. Please
Yeah,
talk to organizers in this matter. Okay.
yeah.
I had
Okay,
already
yeah.
mentioned. I had already mentioned.
Okay.
Yes,
Parents can learn
Vivan,
and
are you
in
clear?
future they can teach.
Vivan is clear? Are you clear?
Bye bye.
Ma'am,
Okay.
parents can learn. In future, they can teach to their children if they are smaller
Yes,
one.
yes. If Parents are interested, they can serve.
Class
Not a
was,
problem.
ma'am, the class was very
Only
interesting and
kind.
brilliant.
Brilliant. Oh, thank you so much, Vivan. Thank you. Thank you. So today we learned one formula, and that
I
is the
loved
that is
it. Bye.
Arham, you liked it?
Yes,
Yes, boliye.
Ma'am, I'm from yes, I'm getting
Suvarna ji, please stop recording, huh? Yes, Sachi, boliye.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
Sachi.
from India, so I'm getting sleepy.
You are getting sleeping. Okay,
And
okay.
I
But have you
school in
understood?
morning.
But have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay, no problem. Good night, beta. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. We will meet tomorrow with next formula. Okay. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really
Okay.
interesting.
Yes, Siddhi. Siddhi, did you like it? It's simple. Oh, that's great.
It was
Great.
really good. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome.
Bye.
Yes,
And
Simar, you want to say something? Simar, you are telling something. You are unmute. You are muted. Unmute yourself.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Can I show you something? No, ma'am.
Yes, Aram, boliye. Yes, Aram.
Laser light hai.
Oh, laser light. Okay, not a problem. Okay, thank you.
Red light.
Okay, Suvarna ma'am. So thank you so much.
Bye.
Much. It was very informative and kids are learning. So
Hello, ma'am.
we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Bye. 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 Bye.
Hello, ma'am. I am from Good.